Did you know that silver was just 74,000 per kg in 2023 is now at 1.10 lakh in 2025? Yes, you heard that right. And that's crazy. And here's the exciting part. Experts like Rich Dad Poor Dad author Robert Kiyosaki believe silver could double very soon. So, the big question, should you invest in silver now or the train already left the station? Let's uncover the full story together. Okay, let's go back in time. Let me ask you something. Do you remember how much silver used to cost way back in 1981? Just 2,715 per kg. And today, it's over 1.10 lakh per kg. I mean, that's mind-boggling. But this isn't some crypto type hype, okay? This is solid, shiny, real silver. From coins to jewelry, from solar panels to electric vehicles, silver is literally everywhere now. It's not just precious, it's actually powerful. Now let's talk numbers. I know. We all smile when the numbers come on the screen, right? Between January 2023 and June 2025, silver gave a bumper return of 47.5%. That's a jump from 74,600 to 1,10,000 per kg. A 36,000 rupee gain. Can you beat that? Now imagine this. If you had bought just 5 kilos of silver in 2023, today you'd be sitting on a profit of 1.8 lakh rupees. Not bad for a metal that most people overlook, right? Let's quickly go back in time and see how silver has grown. Let me show you a graph where we can actually see how silver has grown with time. In 1981, it was 2,715. In 1992, it was 8,040 rupees. In 2003, it was 7,695, almost flat for a decade. In 2011, boom, 56,900 rupees. In 2023, it was 78,600. And in 2025, right now, it's 1.10 lakh rupees. It didn't rise overnight. It followed a pattern, a story of slow and steady growth and then momentum. Now let's understand why silver is on the rise. Here are 4 major reasons behind this silver rally. First, demand versus supply gap. Silver is in high demand, especially in industries like electronics, solar panels, and EVs. But the supply, not matching that up. The Silver Institute says industrial demand could hit 700 million ounces in 2025. I mean, that we can call huge, right? Second, global economy is growing. In 2024, the global GDP grew by 3.2%. More growth means more production, and more production needs more silver. Third, interest rate trends. When interest rates go down, people move their money into assets like gold and silver. And guess what? The US Federation may cut rises again, and that could push silver prices even higher. Fourth, global uncertainty. War tensions, economic slowdown, geopolitical chaos. In such times, investors run towards safe havens. And silver, just like gold, becomes their comfort zone. Okay, so we've seen the data, the trends, the reasons, and now comes the big question. Should you invest in silver now? Well, I can tell you the honest truth that I see. If you're in it for the long term, silver still has a lot of potential, but just like gold, prices can fluctuate. So don't put all your money into it, okay? Diversify your investments, balance your portfolio well, and yes, always speak to a financial advisor before making a big move. This is not investment advice. This video is for educational purposes only. I see a real lesson in this as well, which is patience. Silver teaches us a life lesson. Wealth doesn't come overnight. If someone bought silver in 2003 at 7,695 per kg and held it patiently well, till now, they'd be sitting on 1.10 lakh today. That's a 15x return over 22 years. And it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. So tell me, do you think silver will touch 2 lakh rupees in the next few years? Are you planning to invest in it? Or are you already stacking silver coins in your locker? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, helpful, you know what to do, right? Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends and family. Who knows, your one share might help someone make a smart financial decision today. They say gold shines, but right now, silver is sprinting. And in the race of wealth, are you watching from the sidelines or running with the metals?
Boss Wala. Be the boss.